और आज I would like to call this gentleman who has no comparison in Bollywood. चाहे वो उनकी डांस के साथ हो, now with his blockbusters that he's making, and like I said once again, perhaps the most soft-spoken person I know in Bollywood. Prabhu Deva sir, a big round of applause for him. Sir, yes, you make very violent films, sir. लेकिन otherwise, when I see you, sir, you are perhaps the most gentle person I know. मुझे लगता नहीं है कि you can hurt a fly also, sir. So, where does this violent streak come from?
Happy Diwali and good evening. No idea.
That is Prabhu Deva, sir, for you. 2 words and maybe 4. But I like this. This was a project. It was a nice task. We have a superstar who doesn't really need to even say anything. When he comes on screen, I don't think anybody has a better screen presence than Ajay sir. But you also chose, along with the action, to get your genre in also. That was dance. Are you a difficult taskmaster on the set? Are you very difficult to deal with?
No. That you have to ask with them. But no, I'm very easy.
6 words. Well, we're moving forward, sir. Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi is a mascot, and I think every time she's there in the film, it's a lucky charm for you. Maybe a little more about her. Her on the set, and today, ladies and gentlemen, she has a prior commitment. She won't be able to join us, but it would be nice. Now that she's not sitting here, you can probably say more things about her.
Yeah. No, as you said, Sonakshi, I already spoken more about her, and she's very professional, and what to say? She's good. She fits in the role, and also when 3 heroines are there, thanks to her for accepting this film.
We've got the gentleman there in front of him. I don't know, I'm a very big fan of performances on screen. And जो actors screen पर आकर बिना कुछ बोले ही या तो अपने गुस्सा दिखा देते हैं, या नरमी दिखा देते हैं, या हंसा देते हैं. And then in spite of that, दिखते नहीं है जैसे वर्कआउट कर रहे होते हैं, फिर भी उनके सब जगह डोले निकल रहे होते हैं. They come and do actions so easily. He's got a persona. He is perhaps, to me, the best performer in the industry. A big round of applause for a gentleman that we all know in this film now as AJ, Mr. Ajay Devgan.
Thank you so much.
I'm having some fanboy moments, sir, quite a bit of them. तो मेरे बोलने से पहले आप ही सर कुछ बोल दें. बड़ी लंबी कास्ट है आपके साथ जिन्होंने आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ बोला.
I don't know मैं क्या बोलूँ. I would like to say happy Diwali to everybody और सबकी दिवाली उतनी अच्छी जाए. और सर
आपसे बोलने वाला था, आपको मैंने आज काफी एक्साइटेड देखा था जब मैं आपके ऑफिस में मिल रहा था कि when you were seeing the trailer, were you also very happy when you saw the trailer over there?
I love the trailer. That's why I'm excited.
Now there's a dance bit also, sir, here. So when you meet Prabhu Deva, दुनिया आपसे सवाल तो करेगी ही. In your mind also, are you trying to open doors and saying जो ये बोलेंगे मैं वही करूँगा, या इनके बीच में कोई रास्ता हम ढूंढ लेंगे?
नहीं, जो ये बोलेंगे वो वही करूँगा, तो वो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था. और मैं हमेशा ही करता हूँ वो. आज से मुझे लगता है 20-22 साल पहले आई थिंक प्रभु और मैं मिले थे. एक प्रभु must be 19 at that point of time. I was 21 or something like this. और मेरी दूसरी फिल्म थी वो, और हम बर्फ़ में एक गाना कर रहे थे. तो उस वक्त मस्ती मजाक बहुत होता था. तो वो गाना बहुत ही रोमांटिक था, उसमें कोई डांस वांस नहीं था. और ठंड में बर्फ़ में शिमला में हम लोग वो गाना कर रहे थे. और
कौन सी पिक्चर के दौरान था सर?
ये फिल्म जो कंप्लीट नहीं हुई एक्चुअली, सिंगर करके एक फिल्म थी, ड्यू टू रीजंस. तो हम बार बार हर शॉट के बीच में प्रभु को जरा प्रभु डांस एंड शो ना, बिकॉज ही वाज फैबुलस एंड वी वर ऑल लाइक, एंड ही वाज आल्सो एंजॉयिंग इट. तो ही वाज 19, ही वाज आल्सो डांसिंग. तो मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि पूरा बदला प्रभु ने इस फिल्म में मेरे से ले लिया उसका, जो हमने प्रभु को नचाया.